Right now, I will quickly show you the best camera features of the Redmi Note 14s. So let's go for this camera settings, and here, starting off the 200 megapixel pictures. So you can simply go for this 200 megapixel mode, and you can take these high quality pictures, and you can additionally go for this Pro mode, and right here you can also select to take these 200 megapixel Ultra HD pictures. So this is like pretty nice. The next thing I want to show you is the slow motion. So as we scroll, swipe to the left for more options, here we can find this slow motion feature. Unfortunately, you cannot change any of these values right here. You can't change the speed or the resolution, but basically the slow motion is pretty nice if you want to capture some pretty nice moments right here. So that's cool. The next thing I want to show you is the time lapse. We will be also able to find it in a more category all the way to the right. And here is the time lapse, which will basically record these videos real quickly. And here you can also change these values. You can only change the resolution, but you cannot change this frame rate for this time lapse feature. The next thing I want to show you is the Pro mode, which you previously just saw. Right here we can take pretty nice pictures, and if you know what you're doing with all of these values, if you know how to adjust them, you can take pretty nice shots of different things right here, and it is pretty useful if you know what you're doing. And here you can adjust all of these values manually. You can reset the parameters, and you can also right here switch to the Pro mode for the camera, for the video, and for the photo mode. And here there are some presets which you can make yourself. Actually, you can import some presets, and here are three ready presets for documentary, quick snap, or slow shutter, which is very cool. The next thing right here what we have is the macro mode. So let's go for this photo, and here as we tap on this arrow on the top of the screen, we can find the macro mode. So we can take pretty nice close-up pictures which are looking very nicely. And we also have this dynamic shots right here. As we turn on these dynamic shots, we will have this like kind of GIFs available. As you take a picture, these shots will basically have like a short video preview, like something like this. That's also a pretty nice feature if you're capturing some nice like moments, some cool moments of your life, for example. And the next thing right here, if you have the documents, and as we go all the way to the left, here we have these documents, and with this camera feature right here, we are able to scan documents without using any third-party applications. So that's pretty cool. We have some options of the original, B and W, and right here we have the enhanced scan. So yeah, that is very cool. And the next thing I want to show you, the last one actually, let's go for settings. Actually, for the camera settings, we'll be able to find them right here. And as we are here, scroll down, and here you can find the volume button function. And as we go in there, we can change the function of the volume buttons while using the camera. We can set it for shutter, for the timer, or for the zoom, which is my personal favorite, like kind of in the professional camera. And if you're taking some pretty nice pictures and like you're holding your phone vertically, you are able to take these pictures and zoom in and zoom out using the volume buttons, which is pretty cool. And that will be all about the best camera features of the Redmi Note 14s.